Welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson, here today to show you this 2018 270 Sundeck. So come on board, let's take a look. Welcome to the transom of the boat. This has a nice submersible swim platform that can go right into the water so you can hang out with your family or friends. Nice lounge in the back. We've got a cooler back here and a nice walkthrough. As we come inside, the cockpit of the boat is very spacious. There's lots of room in here for all your friends. There's a place in here for a table. You can face forward, and both these seats do go this way so you can face aft. There's a nice big head in the 270. Lots of space down in there. We got a nice helm area with some nice gauges. DTS digital throttle, and then the Sundecks are what they're known for here is in the bow. Very wide, 4 to 5 people can hang out up here. This is a great boat. Come on down to MarineMax 270 Sundeck 2018. Ask for Josh. Thanks. Have a great day.